We're ready to start section 6.3, which is on proportions. This is a very useful but really pretty simple section. We're going to be talking about proportions. A proportion states that two ratios or two rates are equal. We know about equal fractions. We know that 1/4 is equal to 10/40. And as a proportion, we could read this as 1:4, as 10:40. We could also say that the numbers 1 and 4 are proportional to the numbers 10 and 40. So to determine whether two ratios or rates form a proportion, in other words, we must determine whether the ratios are equal. Two fractions are equal when their cross products are equal. We learned that in the last unit. So if we were to look at these two fractions, this product, 5 times 9, would be 45. This product, 3 times 15, would also be 45. So these fractions are equivalent, are equal. And if they were ratios, 3 to 5, as 9:15, then those would be equal ratios, so the proportion is formed. It is true. So on this one, this product is 40. 9 times 6, however, is 54. So these fractions are not equal, these rates are not equal, these ratios are not equal, so it does not form a proportion. So we're going to base the next part of this section, where we're going to actually solve proportions. We're going to use the same idea. We're going to set the cross products equal to each other, and then we'll solve that equation, and then we can go back and check and be sure that it's true. So on this one, we know that 4:5 as 9 what? So we're going to use the cross products. 4 times x is equal to 5 times 9, which is 45. So now we have a simple equation. We know how to do this from Unit 1. So we're going to divide both sides by 4. So we have 1x, and that is equal to 11 1/4, or if you did it on your calculator, you would get 11 25/100. This one, this product, 21 times y, is equal to 3 times 77, which is 231. Then we'll divide both sides by 21, which gives us 1y. And on my calculator, I'm going to be doing 231 divided by 21. And I am getting 11. So we can say that 3 is to 11 as 21 is to 77. So if we do the cross products, we know that this one is 231, and 21 times 11 is also 231. So this is the way we could actually check if we wanted to. This one, this product, 8/10 times x is equal to this product. We know that's going to be negative 12 4/10. So now we have our equation. So now we're going to divide both sides by 8/10. So we have 1x on the left, and we have negative 12 4/10 divided by 8/10. And we get 15 5/10, negative 15 5/10. So that would go in here, and you could check the cross product, and it should work. Let's look at this one. This product, 1 5/10 times x, is equal to this product. Signs are different. Negative 1 2/10. Now we'll divide both sides by 1 5/10. So we have 1x is equal to negative and it says negative 8/10. So if we were to set this up, substituting this for x, we would have 6/10 over negative 8/10 is the same as 1 and 5/10 is to negative 2. So I know the negative and positive are working because the signs are different on this side and signs are different over here. And we know that this product is negative 1 and 2/10. This product is going to be negative 1 and 5/10 times 8/10. And we get negative 1 and 2/10. So these check. This is a very simple thing. It's very useful if you want to find out, things that are similar. Their proportion is the same. If you were enlarging or shrinking a picture, you could use this. If you wanted to find various things like that that are proportional, then you could use this.